Hi, I frequently use what I call grading sheets as a type of rubric that you'll find associated with more complex assignments. In any complex assignment, at some point, I will articulate the particular points that I'm expecting. These criteria, you might see a weighting factor next to them, or you might see at the bottom of the assignment something that comes in under the title of evaluation. These tell you the importance I'm giving to seeing your evidence of these different criteria. Now, when there's a grading sheet, when you open it up, you'll find that it's a spreadsheet, something like this, with the criteria down the left column, with the weighting factor in the first numeric column, which sets up the relative importance I'm assigning to that particular criteria. And then there's the number of points that were actually achieved. And so in this case, everything is ultimately graded on a 1 to 10 scale, but the weighting factor distributes that particular grade. In some cases, you'll receive your feedback directly within the spreadsheet, and the spreadsheet will be attached. And what you want to focus on are the points you actually earned out of 10. Now, other times I'll give you the feedback in a narrative, and I'll let you know how you worked on each one of these points, but you will be able to take the spreadsheet that's available and type in your own factors to verify where a possible grade came from. So as you put in the criteria and the grading score that you got, you can actually see the spreadsheet itself update. So hopefully you've been getting 9s and 8s and 10s, but depending on how you scored, you'll be able to see where you got the grade from. Depending on the type of grading sheet that's used, you should also have some explanation of the point and the weighting factors that were used. So please be sure that you look at the criteria that you're being evaluated on and that you understand how the score is created. I try to be very fair and equitable, to be clear about what's expected, and you can always use the grading sheet to verify any score you got. Thank you.